Hey there, are you ready to turn your ideas into awesome projects, all while learning some cool coding hacks? Welcome to CodeMine 404, where we break the code and build innovative solutions from scratch. Hi, I am CodeMine 404, a web developer and a hackathon enthusiast. I've been coding for a while now, and there's nothing I love more than building projects that solve real problems, especially under time pressure like in hackathon. I am super excited to share my journey with you and help you create amazing things using web development without having to spend a ton of money. So what's CodeMine 404 all about? Well, this channel is here to help you turn your coding skill into actual project. We will cover everything from building web apps, automating tasks, and even prepping for hackathons. And the best part, we will focus on doing it all with free tools and resources. You could expect step-by-step tutorials where I will guide you through building projects from scratch. We will also dive into quick coding hacks that will save your time, review some handy tools and libraries, and even do live coding sessions so you can see how I solve problems in real time. Oh, and if you are a beginner, don't worry, we will cover both basic and advanced topics, so there's something for everyone. Let me show you a few projects I have built so far, just to give you an idea of what we are going to do here. First, here's a website which will teach you tough concepts by visualizing in 3D. This website is like deliveries, and like this, I have made several innovative projects, and together we are going to make several great projects. The main motto of this channel is to use the coding skill to make the future product and tell the new coders to use AI in better way and tell how could we make in limited resources but without compromising the product. Thanks.